front of a perfect example of a smart factory. We have robots that pick up the parts from the machines and then drop them on shuttles that take the parts all over the factory. We have a 6-axis robot that takes those parts and then make finishing, like flames and other. And then we have also a 5-axis Cartesian robot with a CNC motion, where we can integrate also vision systems and so on. All the robots are connected together, and thanks to B&R integrated safety, the operator can work on the whole line safely. Since the robots are fully connected together, we can collect all the data as energy consumption and air consumption and analyze them with a DCS B&R system. Smart factories need a smart robot, so with a B&R software engineering team, we have developed a smart interface based on the mappVIEW package. This is a web-based interface, so the operator can use it easily with intuitive gestures like zooming, swiping, and scrolling. Thanks to the B&R automation technology and our knowledge, we are the only one able to provide a full solution for the plastic market.